Hello everyone, ngiyabingelela. Ngingu-Aaron Khumalo. Sengibuyile futhi. Ivideo namhlanje ke ngizobe ngitshengisa ukuthi uyi-installa kanjani i-Windows. Kuyenzeka ke mhlawumbe thola ukuthi unenkinga i-laptop yakho isi-slow kakhulu usuzame uku-installa ama-antivirus, wanika abantu bakulungisela but still your laptop is too slow, and then now you don't know ukuthi kwenzakalani nge-laptop yakho. You are assuming ukuthi maybe ama-virus, but still wa-installile ama-antivirus but nothing happens. So i-option engakunikeza yona is to install a new Windows but ibe yi-same version. Maybe you can install, if mhlawumbe ubusebenzisa Windows 10, still you can install Windows 10, but ke uma usu-installa kabusha at least lokhu kuyasiza because ke lokhu njana i-laptop yakho kuyakwazi ukuyenza ibe ntsha easy. Lokhu njani ama-files kade ama-problems kwi-system yakho, then ayaremoveka. And you must be careful ke before you install Windows, you must partition your hard drive. Ngizobonisa ke nalokho ukuthi how to partition your hard drive, ngizokutshengisa nalokho, ngizoyenza video yakho, but for today ngifuna ukubonisa ukuthi how to install a new Windows from downloading it ku-internet. Sizoqala si-access i-browser yethu bese sizoyi-downloada. So downloada ke Windows 10. So okay, esizoyi-downloada ke ilokhu njani i-Windows, sizoyisebenzisa ku-USB. Ake sinciphise lento yokuhlezi sikhokha imali njalo, always nje uma unenkinga you pay money. You know there is someone wakhokha 1,000 just for installing i-antivirus. So kungabukeka kukulima lokho komunye, but ke kuyenzeka. If you don't know, then you will pay for small things, izinto ekanjalo. That's why umuntu olungisa i-laptop yakho bakutshela ukuthi hamba, bakutshela ukuthi shiye ubuye kusasa uzoyilanda. They know ukuthi le nto ngeke wathatha isikhathi eside, only 30 minutes, then they will charge you 1.5 just for 30 minutes. Imagine something that you will do it on your own. So today let's search here i-Windows esizoyi-download. So download the immediate tool esizothi mase siyi-downloadile bese siya-installa i-setup yayo ihlale ku-USB ukuze ukwazi ukuthi anytime ofuna uku-install Windows yakho, just use your USB then you install your Windows. Okay, now sizo-searcha for TechSpot. La sizo-downloada khona ilokhuzi yethu techspot.com. Enter. La sizo-searcha khona i-Windows 10 yethu media tool. Make sure ukuthi i-link uyibhala exactly ukuze ungabe confused along the way. Yeah guys, mele sinciphise izinto ekanjalo ukuthi you find yourself paying for izinto ezincane ebungazenzela zona. Yabo nje njenge-Windows, I once went to game esitolo, game bengifuna i-Windows disk, i-disk le-Windows, and then i-Windows 10 professional ngalithola lu 3,000. It was 3 point something. Then I decided to do it on my own because ngabona ukuthi it's a waste, into engakwazi ukuzenzela yona. Why paying such money? Because lo 3,000 bengathenga enye laptop, so why? Okay, and then it must be TechSpot. So search here. What are we searching here? We are searching for, okay, click on this search icon. Oh, it's a lot, sorry. But click on this search icon, then search for Windows. Sorry. Search for Windows 10 media tool. Windows 10 media tool. Okay. I don't know what's happening. Okay. Yeah, must be like this. Must be like this, but I can put a space here. Then press enter to search. Zelinda ke isivezela ama-search results, and then bese siya-selecta ke i-option esifunayo. Okay, these are the search results, and then let us scroll down and look for the one we are looking for. Yes, okay, so mele vele kanjena ke ithi Microsoft Windows 10 installation, it is live media creation tool download. Mele ibe updated ilokhu njani yakho, it must be updated. maybe next year go any data here because they keep on updating, but make sure that you download an updated media creation tool. And then make sure futhi ukuthi nalapha kulo Windows 10 or to create a USB or DVD. So i-writing ngani-ke le tool le i-writing ngokuthi uyakwazi ukuthi uyi-installe and then we create i-setup yayo ihlale ku-USB noma i-DVD writer. So exists on ukuthi anytime as ufuna ukuyi-installer into your device, and then you can use a USB to install it. And then for now, let us click here. Okay, masiveza kanjena ake siphinde scroll down and then bese iveza lo Microsoft Windows 10 installation or media creation tool. The media creation tool can be used to upgrade your current PC to Windows 10 or to create a USB or DVD and install Windows 10 on a different PC. Okay, so now the only thing we can do here is to click on this download. Don't click this one, but this one. Okay, click on this download now. Cylinder. But any into futhi check here ukuthi the license must be a freeway. Okay. Cylinder isivezela ama results. Okay, uma ungachecka la isivele ya downloada nansi isivezile la isaloada iya downloada ke kodwa downloader okay isiqedile ke ukudownloada la iveza lo media creation tool. Okay, let's check ke manje ukuthi kephi. For sure iseveke kuma downloads, but we can click here on this arrow and show in folder. Okay, it says vezela ama files lapho iseveke khona. Okay, here it is. La bese download okwesibili, we can remove this one. Okay, yona ke le media creation tool. So okwamanje iseveke kuma downloads kule device le PC engidownloada kuyona, but kahle kahle thina sifuna i-setup yayo esizoyisebenzisa to install this Windows. So ufuna ukuthi manje sifike kuyona bese sithi double click ukuze ikwazi ukuthi i-setup yayo icreate-ke iyoseveka ku-USB. And make sure ukuthi once you double click this media tool fanele ube usuyifakile, you must put your USB kwi-device yakho noma kwi-computer or your laptop, because sizocreate i-setup yale media tool iseveke kwi-USB. Alright, click yes. Then cylinder. And make sure futhi once you double click that media tool, noma ngathini yonke information yakho oyisave ku-USB yakho fanele uyimove to another noma ungayiseva on your laptop, because le media tool delete everything, iyayiformata i-USB yakho, and the size of your USB must be at least 8 gig and above ukuze ikwazi ukusupporta lama files azongena nale media tool. Otherwise, if less than that, then ngeke ikwazi. Okay, let's move on. Okay, njengoba sesi-double clickile isiveza the screen. So okwamanje let us check my USB. Okay, nansi USB yami ake si-check. Okay, okwamanje inawo ama-files, ngifuna ukuthi siwayeke lama-files, but izoyiformathela yona, izobuza yes, izoyiformathela yona le setup. So files. So let's check the size of my USB. Right click on the USB, right click, and then go to properties. From properties, then besias vezela space. Okay, space is 7 use this 10 gig something, then free space is 18 point something, then the total capacity is 29 point something. So this is a 32 gig. Okay, ake sibone-ke ukuthi ithini manje setup la izisivezele something la and then sizokwazi ukuqhubeka. After siqedile ukuloda ithatha isikhashana-ke ngizoyibekezelela ithatha isikhathi impela. Okay, bese iveza le screen after silodile yaqeda and then you accept. Phinde futhi loda sizoyilinda futhi isivezele something here. Bese iveza le screen-ke manje ibisithi what do you want to do. Mase iveze le screen-ke ukuthi what do you want to do. Then you need to select create installation media using USB. Then click next. Okay, uma isivezela ithi select language ukuze ukwazi-ke ukuselecta la mele u-click u-uncheck here and then bese uyayiselecta ke language, but the only English evelayo la ile yase-United States. So then lapha only Windows 10 the edition, and then here you can select here if maybe i-system yakho noma i-device yakho does not support a 64-bit, and then you'll use 32. Yeah, so mina I support 64, so I'll select this one and check here and then click next. Then my city choose which media to use and then choose USB flash drive. Then click next. And then lapha isivele isiselectelile yona USB. If ingaveli, then you'll click here to refresh drive list. But for now njobe itholile, then we'll click next. Sizoyilinda ke ilode here isivezele something else. Okay, isiqalile manje ikhombisa progress, sizoyilinda until iziqede. The process ithatha isikhathi ke guys. I think it took me about 2 hours, almost 2 hours. Yeah, it took me almost 2 hours to reach this step. Yeah, so kuzokusiza ukuthi uyibekezele. Uma isize nje yaqala ukudownloada nje ufuna ukuthi uvele uyifake eshajini ibe ne-battery, otherwise izocima because it takes a lot of time. Hey, isiqedile-ke ukufaka le setup kwi-USB yami. Then now the only thing esizoyenza is to click finish. Okay, isiqedile-ke manje isiqedile, it has completed to download the setup. So manje sesingayi-check-a i-USB yethu sibone ukuthi le setup manje isi-installekile into our USB. Okay, access the files here on the file explorer, just click and let's check our USB. Click, you see yonke information now onke ama-files and folders ekade ela aformatekile iyayiformathela yona automatically. So now what has been stored here ama-folders for i-Windows. So now kunale setup, le setup iyona esebenzayo le uma sisi-installa i-Windows. So now ngizokhombisa but ngizoyenza kwi-second part ezolandela here ukuthi how to set up noma how to install Windows. Okwamanje just besayisetha sifaka kwi-USB for ukuthi anytime ofuna uku-install Windows onto your machine then ukwazi ukusebenzisa i-USB yakho. But ke kunama configurations noma kunama settings ofanele uwenze. You have to do ama-changes, a lot of changes kwi-system yakho ukuze ukwazi ukuthi uma uyifaka i-USB yakho then when you restart your PC izokwazi ukuthi le setup le izothi auto run, izokwazi ukuthi iranele yona automatically ngaphandle ukuthi uze ungene kwi-USB uyivule. Because if you do like that, if uzovula i-USB then bese uthi double click here, just izo-update i-Windows yakho but ngeke install a new Windows, just izoyi-update. For now mina ngifuna ukuthi noma sifuna ukuthi i-install a new Windows, lokho kuzomela ukuthi sishintshe izinto eziningi kuma-BIOS. So lokho ngizokwenza kwi-second part ezolandela la. For now, thank you guys, thank you very much. And futhi ngizokwenza enye video ekhombisa ukuthi how to partition your hard drive ukuze ma installa a new Windows izinto zakho zingalahleki. For example, here my hard drive here has been partitioned. Kuno local disk C lapho kuhlala khona Windows only, ama-files engiwa-installayo, ama-apps engiwa-installayo angena lapha. But uma ngidownload izinto zami, I save all of my stuff here ku-R&D. So for now, thank you guys, thank you very much. ake nibukele enye ividiyo ezolandela for more information. Thank you.